Fuck them. Fuck them. Fuck them all die. Even me. Even time. This is the last thing I post. I am the host. Obey or fade away into the nothingness of space. Everything is in place. In the future, what is there now? Nothing. Well, creation better fucking have hope and motherfucking faith in me now. See you soon, son. I can't wait to climb our new treehouse and play. Jake Wesley. Motherfucking DNA. Anybody got this motherfucking DNA? Anybody got DNA with every species, every species, everything ever created? No. Now, here we go.
Tell me this. If British Army were in danger, would you kill to save her life? No. For her. Or for anyone. I will not kill.
Please stop her tonight. Captain, leave our house.
It is my sworn duty to protect you. The Enterprise will remain in orbit around Rana 4 as long as the two of you are alive.
But they're dead in the future, so who gives a shit? Man.
Number one. Update, please. Little change, Captain. Our shields are still inoperable. We've lost control of our weapons and double the repairs.
Darn it. Exo.
300,000 kilometers distant. How's that possible? Something wrong with the
Bam. My fucking fingerprints too, fuck faces. Future self, fuck you, crybaby.